1, 2, 3. We don't talk about Bruno, no, no, no. We don't talk about Bruno. But it was our wedding day. We were getting ready and there wasn't a cloud in the sky. Bruno walks in with a mischievous grin. You telling the story or am I? I'm sorry, mi vida, go on. Bruno says it looks like rain. In doing so, he floods my brain. Married in a hurricane. Anyway, we don't talk about Bruno, no, no, no. We don't talk about Bruno. The beer brew, stuttering and tumbling. I can always hear him sort of muttering and mumbling. I associate him with the sound of falling sand. Shh, shh, shh. It's a heavy lift with a gift so humbling. Always left the abuela and the family fumbling. Crumpling with poverty, the kid and understand. Do you understand? 7-foot frame rats along his back. When he calls your name, it all fades to black. Yeah, he sees your dreams and feasts on your screams. We don't talk about Bruno, no, no, no. We don't talk about Bruno. He told me my fish would die next day. Dead, no, no. He told me I'd grow a gut, and just like he said that all my hair would disappear. Now look at my head. Your fate is sealed when your prophecy is read. He told me that the life of my dreams would be promised and someday be mine. He told me that my powers would grow like the grapes that thrive on the vine. Oh yeah, Moriano's on his way. He told me that the man of my dreams would be just out of reach. Betrothed to another, it's like I hear him now. I want not a sound out of you. Bruno. Yeah, about that Bruno. I really need to know about Bruno. Could be the truth and the whole truth. Bruno is Bella, your boyfriend's here. Time for dinner! 7-foot frame rats along his back. When he calls your name, it all fades to black. Yeah, he sees your dreams and feasts on your scream. You telling the story or am I? Your Mariano's on his way. Bruno says it looks like rain. In doing so, he floods my brain. Buried in a hurricane. He's here, we don't talk about Bruno, no. Why did I talk about? I never should have put about Bruno. Never should have brought up Bruno. Yeah.